Well, hello again. Welcome back to our little shop. Today we're going to be looking at this Epiphone SJ model. It was a reverb purchase from across the northern border, and apparently it has some misrepresentation issues, and apparently the seller has become MIA. So we are going to have to fix this problem for them. When they got it and went to check it out, they found out it had a few dead frets. If we go up here and look, we can see a lot of file marks on the fingerboard, like here and here. Someone's tried to file a few frets down, which has resulted in dead notes through here. And then they stuck it on the internet to dispose of it. Like I said, we see lots of gouging here on the frets. If you can see that one, there's a pretty good nick there. And it looks like somewhere along the line it's been bumped pretty good. There's an indentation here, and here they've tried to file out, which made the frets really low. So we're going to unstring this, get the neck straightened out on it. We're going to probably pull about 5 frets and see what's really going on here. Like I say, the 3rd and 4th frets have been filed down really bad. It's kind of hard to get you to be able to see here, but there's actually big file marks on these frets. It's pretty obvious they've been hacked at. And like I say, then the notes are dead. So we're going to get into this and see what we can do for them. So here we are about 25 minutes into this job. We have our frets out, the slots have been cleaned, the fingerboard's been leveled. We did find a little hump right through here on the bass side that we took out, and there was a hump all the way across right here at the 1st fret. So we took care of that. We've got our 1st fret cut here. We're ready to put it in. We're going to be using C.P.R 24 thousandths wide tang frets for it, as you use in vintage Martin refrets. The fret slots on this guitar is a little bit wide, and the frets were originally about that size, so that's what we're using, as opposed to like a 18 or 22 thousandths wide tang. So here we go. Time to start putting in frets. Okay. At this point, we've got about an hour and a half in. We've replaced a few frets. We've got them leveled, got them trimmed. We're ready to stick the nut back on, string it up, and see where we're at this point. We actually ended up replacing 6 frets. Well, another surprise. When I took the bridge saddle out to check it, I found a really bad shimming job in here. So we're going to have to take care of that before we can move on. Here we are, all finished up. I want to point something out here to you. Maybe you can see a little better this time around. I'll show you one of these original frets that was in this. See the little dent there in it? This guitar has had a couple blows somewhere along the way. You can actually even see the fret on the underside is bent. And they tried to file this big notch out of it. I'm sure this is very hard for you to see, but I want you to try to get a chance to see it a little bit better. So we have it and all of its little friends that were damaged on a little bag for a souvenir for him. Anyway, we're all finished up here. All the frets are in, polished, all that, leveled. New set of strings. I actually even set the guitar up for him. I did the nut height, the neck adjustment, of course, and reworked the bridge saddle since it had been shimmed so poorly. Like I say, new strings, tighten these tuning machines, all that. He's good to go. Hopefully this little bit of work will make his reverb purchase a little bit more pleasant for him. So there we have it, another repair. Until next time, play nice. I'll see you later.